Espaillat, and I'm a non-attorney representative here at Gardberg Kemmerly. And I wanted to speak to you today about 5 effective ways to help your disability claim. One thing that we really speak to our clients about is going to the doctor. We can always suggest that you try and get medical treatment and go to a clinic and get, even if it's just through a low-cost clinic. If you live in the Mobile area, there are lots of options. You have the Mobile County Health Department, you have Franklin Primary Health Centers, there's Victory Health Partners, Alta Point Mental Health, Southwest Alabama Mental Health for the more northern clients, and other low-cost clinics associated with USA Health Systems. Some of these facilities partner with other physicians groups to provide low-cost and affordable care to those who need it and are without insurance and without income. It is imperative to your claim that you are getting treatment in order to document your disabilities, whether they are physical or mental. One of the second things that is real important in your claim is to take your medications properly, especially if you have problems like seizures or diabetes. If you were to have an episode or a seizure and you go to the hospital or your doctor's office and they do lab work that shows that you're not taking your medications and you're not being compliant, that will be in your medical records and it can hurt your claim. So it is important that you take your medications and take them properly as your doctor orders. If you are having problems with your medications, one of the third things that I want to recommend to you is to reach out to affordable care options for your healthcare and medical prescription purposes. One of the things you can look into is Ozanam Charitable Pharmacy. They help a lot of people in our area. In Mississippi, they are also called St. Vincent de Paul in Hattiesburg and Blunt. I understand when someone files for disability, many times you lose your insurance and you lose income, so it's very hard to afford some of these life-saving medications. But you can contact these facilities. You can also look at programs like pparx.com, and they can have certain prescriptions and affordability programs which can do for low cost. You can also speak to your doctors about giving you samples. Those are just a few things that we see a lot of our clients do to reach out to really help them with their medication costs. If you want to contact Ozanam, you can reach them in the Mobile County, Baldwin County area at 251-432-4111. In Mississippi, you can call 228-374-9097. Now, the fourth thing I want to do is tell you to discuss your disability with your practitioner, your doctor, or your therapist. This is real important for you to speak to them about the fact that you have filed for disability. If the Social Security office, they'll ask you who you're seeing. We will ask you what doctors you're seeing, and they will request your records. And many times we will request a statement or a opinion from your nurse, therapist, or physician, nurse practitioner. And it is important that you discuss the fact that you filed for disability with them. It is only going to help your claim and help you know where you stand, because you do need that treating physician's help. So the fifth recommendation that I have for you today is to get a representative or an attorney to help you with your disability claim. These waters are so hard to navigate without help and without understanding the disability process. I am a non-attorney representative here at Gardberg Kemmerly, and that means I've been approved by the Social Security Administration to help people with disability claims. We also have other attorneys here at Gardberg Kemmerly, but you can reach out to us at 251-343-1111 if you have filed for a claim for disability or wondering if you should file a claim for disability or if you have a claim pending. We would love to help you and love you to help you through this process of understanding and getting the things that you need. These are just 5 tips. There are so many other things that we can help you do to make your disability claim the most effective and best for your case. And so reach out to us today. Again, the number is 251-343-1111, or you can reach us on the web at www.gardberglaw.com. Thank you.